Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make a warm spiced cranberry mocktail. You should have everything you need in your take and make kit. You'll also need a small saucepan, a stove, and a glass, as well as a small strainer. I'll be using my cocktail strainer. You should get all of your ingredients laid out and ready to go. You'll need 3/4 of a cup cranberry juice, 1/3 of a cup orange juice, 1/2 cinnamon stick. As you can see, I have a lot more than that here. 2 cloves, 1 slice of fresh ginger root, peeled. I have just a big hunk here. And also 1 teaspoon of honey. So the first thing you'll want to do is place everything but the honey in your saucepan and bring it to a boil, like so. Give that a quick stir just to get everything mixed in. And now we'll turn on the heat. You'll want to make sure that you bring it to a boil slowly so as not to burn the juice. Let's see what happens when we get to a boil. So once you have the juices and spices boiling, you want to turn down the heat and have it simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. All right, now that your mocktail has been simmering for a few minutes, you're gonna take it off the heat. And then we're gonna be adding our honey. If you also wanted to make this a little bit more of an adult beverage, you can add your alcohol here as well. Gin would be a good option. So let's stir in our honey. Give that a good stir to mix it all in. Now I'm going to pour this into my cocktail shaker and use the strainer to pour into my glass. But you can do it kind of however way works best for you and for whatever equipment that you have. And it is hot, so just be careful with that. All right, and feel free to add a slice of blood orange or some other accoutrement you'd like. I'm just gonna throw in a couple of my cinnamon sticks that I have here and call it a day. Hope you're enjoying your warm spiced cranberry mocktail. Happy Hygge at home. Cheers!